So we're going to put an image behind some text using image mask in Lightburn. It's not hard to do, just a few steps, and should just take a couple of minutes. So we're going to grab a text tool. We're going to use a font called Arco because it's big and it gives you room to see the image behind it. Of course, you can use any font you like. You can scan in some fonts. You can trace it out. Whatever works best for you. But I'll put a link to this Arco font down in the description. You can go pick it up for free. It is public domain. So let's type out in all caps fireworks. Click the selector tool, and now we want to put a photo behind it. So I've got one that I generated in ChatGPT of some fireworks, and we're just going to stretch it out. You want it to be larger than your writing, and then pull it down out of the way. Select your lettering, go up to arrange, and down to push to front. That way it'll be on top of the photo. And then you can select everything together, right click, and go down and apply mask to image. And there we go. Now your photo is still here. You can see the outline. You can move this around however you like. And once you get it in exactly the right position where you like it, select everything together again, right click, and go down and find flatten image mask. Select that. Your lettering's finished. You're ready to send it to the laser, do whatever you intended to do with it. So I hope that was helpful, folks. If it was, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel grow. It keeps me in the shop. And the things I'm learning out here, I'm sharing with you. And if you have questions, let me know. I don't know everything, but I've learned a few things, and I'm glad to give you the best knowledge I've picked up. And if I don't know, I will at least send you in the right direction. So check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.